Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds SOUNDPEATS Opera05 from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Right here click the information icon near to your earbuds, and in the third line we have button called Disconnect, so we need to tap on it. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So when you select to disconnect your device and you click on it, it will stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your earbuds, it will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. Now let's click on it, and as you can see, we disconnected it and we have no more connection with the earbuds, but we left it at the device list, and if you tap on it you can reconnect it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!